Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Jayla's Makeup. Some of you guys know me from Instagram and some of you just subscribed, so welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Morphe 1971 Coca-Cola collection. I was really excited about getting this one. You can see there. Tutorial of this look. I did a graphic liner in a 70s pattern. The collection itself has a few items. It has the palette. It's gonna come in handy, and a lot of the times when we have these light colors, there's no darker neutral to balance them out and create a whole look, create liner with. This one has it all. Amazing. They're all very good quality. Bought it because a lot of Morphe palettes tend to be humongous. I'm gonna travel with something, let's say in the summertime, I would grab this and be done. Morphe mascara, I really enjoyed this one. I used it in the tutorial today as well. Also a mini lip gloss kit. They did this with a Vani's collection, so I was happy they did it with this one because these colors fit the mood and the colors in the palette. Pretty nice. They feel great on the lips. They're not sticky. I have one on right now. The one I'm using, I believe, is the second one, Full of Hope. The names are cute and just so up my alley. Very hippie vibe. Love it. And finally, I didn't think I was gonna get this. It was a little makeup bag with brush kit. So the reason I didn't think I was gonna get it was because I have so many brushes. I don't need any more. But like always, Morphe makes great brushes. Most of my brushes are Morphe from their main line. So these are a special edition. They're all dirty because I did use them and they performed great. So amazing. Not the reason I got it. The reason I got it is because of the little bag. Also, it's clear, so I don't have any clear makeup bags. They're all like either like a leather, like this one, or some kind of design. So I was like, this is so cute. So cute. It's 70s inspired, but it also reminds me of the 90s bags, things that were see-through. So cute. So to conclude, do you need this collection? I would say the items that I recommend the most out of the entire collection are the palette. It's the star of the show. It has both a nice neutral collection side of things and then also really good pastels that are very versatile for the summertime, for the springtime, and even into those months where you're transitioning into fall. Get the palette. Also is a great palette for experimenting with different color stories. People normally say, well, I have those colors already, or well, that's not the purpose of a palette. In my opinion, the purpose of a palette is to give you an interesting color story, so much so that it gives you sort of the inspiration to create something new, where you see these colors together and you say, yeah, that's a particular time, those are particular fabrics, that's a particular vibe. This palette does that for you, and it also gives you enough colors where you can play with both sides and create a new look every time you use it. The other thing I would say that you definitely should get are the brushes, and I'll tell you why. If you're lazy like me and you have the brushes that you need but they're dirty and you just want to grab some, grab the brushes. But mostly for the makeup bag, it's nice, compact, see-through. You can see everything that's in there. If you forgot something, you can tell. Awesome. Very cute. If you're into this kind of print, sort of throwback, retro, 70s, 60s kind of vibe, then this. That's it for my review. Out of 5, I say I would give it a 4 out of 5. And the reason I took 1 star is because I feel like the lip glosses could have done without one of these 2 nudes. Maybe like a glossy red That would have been nice. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications. I'll be doing more reviews coming soon. There's one really exciting collection that I'm not going to tell you guys about until I make the video. I'm very excited for that. And of course, follow me on Instagram. A lot of my creative looks and ideas that I have not posted on YouTube are on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching.